Welcome to the Flavor Breakdown, the place where food science gets explained simply. Ever notice how food tastes bland, muted, or just off when you're sick? There's a biological reason for your flavor experience. Today, we're breaking down why illness affects taste, how congestion, inflammation, and your immune response interfere with smell, taste buds, and even saliva, and why your favorite foods suddenly lose their flavor. When you're sick, everything can taste dull. Even strong flavors like garlic or citrus barely register. It's that your body temporarily can't sense flavor the same way. Flavor is mostly smell. About 75 to 95% of what we call taste comes from aroma molecules traveling up the back of your throat to your nose. When you're congested, that pathway is blocked. Aromas can't reach your olfactory receptors, so you are left with just the basics: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Illness also directly affects your taste buds. Inflammation can dull their sensitivity, and reduced saliva means fewer flavor molecules dissolve and reach the receptors. When you're sick, your body diverts energy away from sensory processes, including taste and smell, which makes everything feel muted. That's why even after congestion clears, your sense of taste can lag for a bit. Foods with strong aromas or high acidity, like citrus, ginger, or spicy dishes, cut through congestion better. They stimulate both taste and smell pathways, making them easier to perceive when you're sick. Like and subscribe for more food explained simply on The Flavor Breakdown.